Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the RS5. Yesterday I just picked it up from service and they did kind of fix the issues I had. They're going to be completely fixed in a while, but I'll explain. So if you're having an issue with your Bang & Olufsen sound system or creaks like I did in my previous video, you can go check it out if you don't know what I mean, then this is for you. It is really hot today, so I'm just gonna turn the car on. Hello? People ask me if this car comes with the gas particulate filter, and here in the GCC, they don't. So I'm assuming they sound a lot better, but it's kind of hard to figure that out. Oh my God, the AC is going nuts. It's hard to compare microphones with microphones and so on. Maybe one day I'll do a comparison and try to figure out how to do that exactly. Anyways, let's just get right into it. So the door cards. So I had this issue where they were squeaking a little bit, but now they're not, and they're actually a lot stiffer along the top than they were before. That's because Audi has this sort of special, basically insulating tape that they give to their dealers, and they're able to just apply that to areas that have creaks in the cars if a thing happens. So if you do have an issue with your car creaking, making weird noises, they should be able to fix that because they're actually ready to fix that at your dealership. That's what they told me. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but that's the information I got. So it doesn't hurt to take your car to your dealership and ask them about that. So it's gone. So I don't have any creaking noises. It's fantastic. I'm really pushing this hard now, but nothing. Amazing. So next up is the speaker up there, the culprit, the bad guy. That thing has been buzzing since day one, and it was really annoying, especially in a brand new car that costs this much. This is not a cheap car, so you kind of expect everything to be, you know, put together properly, and that wasn't. So I took it back to the dealership. They have a disc which they put on I think on a USB or something, to be able to play at different tones to find out where it starts buzzing. So they checked it, and turns out that, because I thought it was the grill, but actually it's the speaker itself. So they contacted Audi and they ordered a replacement that's coming in their like emergency delivery service, which is normally used for engine parts, because, you know, if the engine is broke, they want to fix it as fast as possible, or the drivetrain or anything like that. But they did order it for me through that fast track for the speaker, because it is a brand new car, and you know, I'm a customer. I bought a nice car from them. I should have some sort of service and, you know, help from them, and they did that all by themselves. Didn't need to ask them for anything. Thank you, Audi Center Bahrain. I can't wait until that part gets. Apparently they don't have it in the region, so they need to order it from Germany, but it will take anywhere between 1 to 2 weeks, and the install will take less than a day because they don't have to take the whole dashboard out. One final thing to note, that this is all done under warranty. I'm not paying for anything, which I shouldn't, because the car is brand new. So if your car is under warranty and you're having these same issues, you can go back to Audi and say, hey, you know, this shouldn't be like this, and they should fix it for you. And I hope this video has helped you out if you're suffering from the same problem. I know a lot of you guys have ordered Audis, A5s, S5s, RS5s with the Bang & Olufsen sound system, and that is important to know, I guess. I hope so. Well, I hope this video helped you guys out. It's quite short today because tomorrow I'm taking the car to be PPF'd, protected fully from the outside as well the inside. Look at all these gloss black elements. They look beautiful when they're clean, but after a while they will get scratched up. They collect fingerprints like nothing I've seen before, and I really want to protect that. I've tested a lot of cars with gloss black in them. Even after 5,000 miles or 5,000 kilometers, you'll get a lot of scratches if you're misusing them. It's really good to get everything protected, especially here on the road. Cars will pick up rock chips from like day one. Take it out of the dealership, boom, you got rock chips, which is really annoying. Thankfully, I haven't seen any on this car, but maybe upon closer inspection, they will find some, which I'm not looking forward. If they're tiny enough, I could touch them up and you know, get rid of that. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, smash that like button. If you liked it and you're still here, smash that like button, as well as subscribe for more stuff on the RS5. Have a great day. Take care.